Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing really well. If you've never seen my face before, my name is Tanya and really good to meet you. So for today's video, I haven't actually done one of these unboxings for such a long time on my channel, but I'm hoping to bring these back as a regular thing. I am going to be unboxing this little beauty. So this is a GLOSSYBOX's May subscription box. If you don't know what GLOSSYBOX is, it is a beauty subscription box which you get once a month, and the contents in there are worth over £50. You get 5 products and you pay it from as little as £11.75 depending on what subscription you get. I personally love GLOSSYBOX. I've been subscribed now to them since October last year and I have never ever been disappointed. This little beauty is just keeping my makeup bag topped up. I love trying all of the new things that I've received, and I get to know about brands that I've never even heard of before. And do you know what, there are some really good brands out there that are probably not well known that are actually bringing out some cracking products. So if you are one of those people that loves to keep your beauty, like your makeup bag topped up, you love your skincare, you love your hair care, you like trying out different things, then I honestly would recommend GLOSSYBOX because it is just phenomenal. So let's get into May's box. So first of all, can we just appreciate the packaging? Sorry, my ring light is just like blinding it. This box is absolutely gorgeous. And for this month, it's all about letting the sun shine in. I just absolutely adore this box. It's so pretty. If GLOSSYBOX come out with a really cool design on their box, rather than the usual pink one that they do, I actually keep it and I put it on display just to brighten this room up a little bit, because yeah, I just need some decoration going on in here. But that aside, let's get into this little beauty. So I've got to admit, I've already opened it because I have no self-control, and I've already had a look at the products inside and so impressed. So every single month you always get a little leaflet explaining what the products are inside, how much they are, and a little bit about the company. So before we carry on with this box, they always give a little sneak peek on the back. So for June sneak peek, with summer, it says on here, with summer days very much on their way, our dreaming of paradise GLOSSYBOX couldn't come any sooner. So I'm guessing that's what it's from the scene. So to give yourself a skin, to give your I can't even speak. To give your skin a head start on summer, you're going to love the beauty buys inside, including this energizing and illuminating vitamin C scrub fix from Nip and Fab. So I haven't got my glasses on, that's why I'm struggling to read, but this is what you get in next month's box. I've already got a product from Nip and Fab, the Salicylic Acid Toner, and I really like it. And in particular, I'm really excited to try this because I tried vitamin C products before from other brands, and they, like, vitamin C is so good for brightening up the skin. And the fact that it's going to be an exfoliating scrub, you know, we've got to get our glow on for the summer and get our skin prepped. So I'm well excited for this. However, let's get back to May's box. So everything comes neatly packaged. Mine isn't neatly packaged because I've already been rummaging around in it, but it always comes tied up in this neat little ribbon, a cute little tissue paper, and this is what you get. So you always get 5 products every month. I'm just going to dive into this and show you what I've got. So the first product in here is by Rhodial, and this is the Dragon's Blood Eye Masks Hydrate and Tone. So it's for depuffing biocellulose eye masks. There we go. So I have tried Rhodial products before, but I've actually tried their makeup. I've never tried their skincare. So I'm actually quite excited to try their skincare products. If you don't know, Rhodial is actually quite a high-end brand, so their products can be quite expensive, especially their makeup items. However, I do believe that this product is actually £6, so it's not too bad, I guess. But you know, I guess for £6, and when you get one set of eye masks that you have to throw away afterwards, it can, I guess, be a little bit pricey. But if it's got good quality ingredients in there and it actually does the trick, then I don't mind too much. But yeah, I'm actually really excited to try those, especially since I've now got a new job and I'm now working 4 on 4 off shifts. And when I am at work, I work 12 hours a day for 4 days straight, and oh my god, like at the end of the 4 days, these are going to be a godsend because I absolutely look like trash. So yeah, after my next lot of 4 on that I do, I will give these a go just to see what they're like and if they sort out my under eye bags at all. So yeah, super excited to try those. So the next thing that we have, I don't know how to pronounce this brand. I've never heard of this brand before. So is it called Kushi or Kueshi? But this is a lemon shower gel, and it's a revitalizing shower gel with lemon extract that cleans and protects the skin, leaving a refreshing scent. Refreshing scent rather. This smells like lemon sherbet sweets. It's so nice. I do love a really good refreshing shower gel. I love having showers in the morning, and using something like this is really going to wake me up. So yeah, I'm really excited to try this, and it's a decent size as well. It is 200ml. Let me just have a look to see how much this is. This is £5.70, so not a bad price, I guess. But yeah, excited to try that, as I'm always excited to try everything in my box, of course. The next thing I think is just going to be so appropriate for when the warm weather comes. So this is it's by a brand called Mine Tan Body Skin. I think that's the brand. Never heard of it before again. This is a replenishing rapid recovery after sun gel enriched with soothing aloe vera and niacinamide. So if you are out in the sun and you accidentally do get a little bit of sunburn, putting any kind of like aloe vera gel over that burn will really help to soothe it. So this is a 50ml size, and it's a deluxe mini. Let me just have a look to see how much this is. So the deluxe mini, which is $13.35. That is pretty pricey considering that's £13 for 50ml. That better be some flipping good after sun gel, I tell you. And then the full size is 177ml, and that's £28.60. Okay, so it's quite on the more expensive side. Wasn't expecting this size though to be £13. That's quite pricey. So the next 2 items that we have in the box are actually makeup items. So the first one is this, which is by Ciate, and it is the Definer Liner. It's smudge proof and it's got an inbuilt sharpener, and this is in the shade Starburst. Now I've seen online, if you do follow GLOSSYBOX on social media such as Facebook and Instagram, they've actually marketed this as a multi-use product, which I think is really good. So this is what the product looked like. At the end here, if you pull that out, that is your inbuilt sharpener. I don't know whether you can see that there. But also, this is what the pen looks like. So it's in like this really stunning gold, pale gold colour. Let me just do a little swatch. It is also retractable as well, but you can sharpen the end of it if you want to use it as a liner, just to get a really nice sharp line. There we go. That is what it looks like. It's a really beautiful, stunning gold colour. So they've marketed this obviously as an eyeliner, but you can also use this as a highlighter as well, on your cheeks, down the bridge of your nose, on your cupid's bow, your inner corner, your brow bone, anywhere you want to highlight, which is really good. You know, obviously I do love a good multi-use product, don't we all? So yeah, I'm really excited to try that. And the fact that it's like smudge proof as well, that has actually dried down pretty quick. And I'm rubbing on it and it's not budging. Well, it's come off a little bit, but the majority of it's still there. That is actually really good. Okay, glad I have that. So just for reference, so the eyeliner is £18. And then the last thing that we have in the box is by Lottie London, and I think this is a pressed pigment, and this is in the shade Golden Hour. And this is what it looks like. I'm trying so hard, like I don't want to tip this all over my carpet because that would be a disaster, but that is what it looks like. I think it is a pressed pigment. It is pretty loose in there. So yeah, I just need to be super careful with it, but that is a stunning bronze colour, and that'll go really nice. Oh, just imagine putting that all over the eyelid and then putting this eyeliner on the inner corner and then underneath as well. Like sometimes I do like doing like a real nice pale gold like on the waterline or something like that. That would look absolutely perfect. It's called the Power Foil and it's £6.95. So again, another really good product at an affordable price, and for the amount of product that's in there, that's going to last quite a long time as well. That is everything in this month's box. I have to say that this has been beautifully curated. I think everything in there is so on point for this time of year, and everything is just going to be so useful, like the shower gel, the eye masks, the after sun gel, the makeup is just stunning. Some beautiful colours there. Cannot wait to try everything, and yeah, just a really good value for money, I think. So that is the end of my video. I hope that you really enjoyed it. If you do want to stick around, then I'd love it if you would subscribe down below, if you wanted to, of course. But anyway, I am gonna love you and leave you guys. I hope that you all stay safe and enjoy the beautiful weather that's coming forth, and I shall see you in my next video. Bye.